Hello guys, welcome to day 39 of the 100 days of technical analysis. I am Pelumi and today I'll be talking about POLYMATH Bitcoin, that is POLYBTC on the 4-hour time frame. Before I do my analysis, usually I like to check the daily time frame to see what's going on. Okay, so here's daily, and you see that okay, this is a bearish engulfing more like volume of the top pattern. Okay, and since then price has been coming down, coming down, coming down. With a low volume, it shows less conviction. Yeah, like people are not convinced to keep selling polymath. Okay, then if you look at this area with me, this looks like this is a strong reversal point, or you can call it a strong support region for polymath. Okay, price has not broken that region since the last since around 11th June. Okay, and if I zoom into where we are currently, this is a morning star here. Okay, a morning star is a reversal pattern comprises of three candlesticks, and it shows that the market is about to start going up. Okay, that's all I can say on the daily for now. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, here is the 4-hour time frame, and first I would like to bring up my drawings. I did some drawings on this pair already. Okay. Okay, so first this is like a head and shoulder pattern. Take this as the left shoulder, this is the right shoulder, this is the head. But really, if I zoom into this on the 1-hour time frame, it didn't really form well. So I'm just going to look over that, okay? But if I were to trade that, this would have been the neckline. But currently, let's just take it as a head and shoulder pattern, okay? Let's assume it worked and price came down and it got to this point. So when price got to the zone, what happened? Yeah, people were not convinced to keep selling. This box right here is consolidation, okay? People were indecisive. Okay, let's sell it, let's buy it, let's buy it, let's sell it, let's buy it, let's sell it, let's buy it, let's buy it. Okay, people were indecisive on what to do. The buyers were taking over, the sellers were taking over. There was indecision in the market. Okay, and whenever there is indecision, most of the time, if it goes on for a long time, okay, this is the 4-hour time frame, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles. That's about 32 hours. Over a day, people were indecisive about polymath. Okay, so eventually, polymath broke out of this consolidation, and this is where polymath is at the moment. Okay, there's 31 more minutes before this candle burns out. Okay, so when would I take this trade, or why would I take this trade? Okay, looking at this is a rounding bottom. If I zoom out using the 1-hour time frame, you see a very clear picture that this is a rounding bottom. But I'm trying as much as possible to make this video as short as it can be. Okay, so basically I would only take this trade if this green candle closes above this box here. This one I clicked now. Yeah, that is the only condition that would make me take this trade. I'll take it if this green candle closes above this resistance. Okay, then I'm sure it has really broken out of this consolidation. It can come back into it. Yes, it can come back into it. But the only way you'll be sure the consolidation has ended is if it closes above this box here. Okay, so after such a long candle, I would expect price to come down a little and do um, something like this. Just a retest of this. It's not going to be big, just shallow, something shallow, because after long candles, that is, if price closes here, okay, I would expect um, a little bit of a retrace or a retest of this. Okay, so after that, I would expect price to come here, hit this line. This I would use this as a neckline, because from what I see, this is a rounding bottom. It can end up being um, a cup and handle. Okay, so if it's a cup and handle that I'm thinking it is going to come out to be, price would hit this point, come back down to form the right angle, the right handle, before breaking out to it's about 480 sats. Okay, so I'll use 480 sats as my take profit point. Okay, and taking this trade from here, I would like to put my stop loss somewhere in the middle of the consolidation. Okay, so let me take my price ranges and we'll be done for the day. Okay, so just above here, somewhere here, that's about 2.63% loss if it goes wrong. Okay, you can increase it to 3%. Okay, it's nothing much, but if this trade goes right, I would have made 8.5% profit from taking this trade. Okay, thank you for coming around today, and do have a wonderful day, and see you tomorrow.